Hello my lovelies and welcome back to another episode of Makeup Mondays. I am Romina Biancalidillo and today we're going to be doing my nails. We're going to be doing nail care. Keep watching to watch the soaking off process at Nail Mint Studio and to see how they actually get the gel off my nails and how I take care of my nails afterwards.
Okay, ready to go.
Nail serum that I received from Mint Nail Studio, and you saw in the first video that I uploaded the introduction to Mint Nail Studio. What we do is we put the serum all along the edges of the nail and then underneath the nail. It doesn't smell too bad. It literally smells like sunscreen, if I'm being honest. There's no harmful toxins in here. Once that has done drying, then you put the nail oil, which is this, and then you put this one on the nail as well, all along the edges and underneath the nail, and then I just kind of rub it in. So I'm going to show you guys my final nails, and these are what my nails look like right now. I'm in love with them because this is a nice pink nude. And then the last step of the process is to put on the LCN hand cream, and she just gave me the Easter edition, which is very cute. It's nice because you can put this in your handbag, and I don't know why, I don't like to get it all over my hands initially. I like to kind of just put it on the top. It's not oily at all, so after this you can like just grab stuff. Very chilled. I just put a little bit too much on my hands, so I'm rubbing it all over my legs. Okay, cool. But yeah, so that was the nail care process and the soaking off process as well just before that, and I'm in love with my nails. So watch my next video to see how I got these nails from Mint Nail Studio. It's a whole process on like the gel application and then the color that I chose, and all that information will be in the next video that I upload for Mint Nail Studio. I'm excited to show you guys that. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really appreciate all the love and support. Please can you guys show some love to Mint Nail Studio's Instagram page. Their links are all down below, and also follow at Mint Nail Studio right here. This is their pop tag. You can also book online. You can book on the Facebook page as well. You can find their number and where they're located on Instagram and Facebook. So all the information that you're gonna need is right there. Hit them up. The reason why I like them so much is because they are vegan. It's very tranquil, peaceful. If you guys want to know more, watch the first video. I just want to send my love to you. I hope that you guys have an amazing week further, and if you guys want to have this kind of pampering done as well, go check out Mint Nail Studio. I think that you will love it. Bye guys, love you.